Wait, Pat, what's in your crisper? I can't make out what it is. Is that like guacamole?
Bro, do you like the taste of cold sauce?
Okay, context. So this is a scuffed Discord conversation I had with some friends, talking specifically about this clip here. And yelling ensued.
Do you mean avocado, or is there like
No,
actual
it
like
looks
lime and like peppers?
Looks like it could be like guac, or like, you know how you get
What do you think is in
hummus?
guac?
Oh, it's like lime and like avocado and semen.
I was really ready
Yeah,
to
good
just
call.
not mention avocado.
I was going to, but I couldn't think of any more ingredients in guacamole.
Yeah,
What the
because
fuck are
there's
you
like
looking at? Crisper.
lime juice, lemon juice.
Like
Maybe like
little shelves
like
that you pull out of the fridge.
Like
Like
at
when you
the,
put
at
your
the
fruit
top?
and veg. No, at the bottom.
Bruh.
Like the third drawer up, there's a bunch of little round containers. What's in there?
Cum, I guess.
And how many fucking drink bottles do you need in this fridge?
They're all my
At least
drink
one.
bottles. I own a
A
shelf
metal,
for drink
a
bottles.
metal one.
One of them I
plastic
don't have
one.
anymore. It's at
Yeah, one of them I
Colin's.
don't know where they've gone.
Oh baby, a triple.
Oh, baby. Yeah, one of them's mysteriously disappeared.
Also, you also put your sauce in the fridge.
Yeah.
I fucked it up.
What kind of monster puts in the cupboard? Where you get the pre-cum sauce? Get out of here.
Excuse me. Bro, do you like the taste of cold sauce?
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's fucking. Like, kind of where
You know what I
do you
don't like,
stand on
Harry?
this?
Is the liquidy
On
bit
sauce?
that comes out the top.
You shake it, you dumb cunt!
I
That
stand
doesn't
on
always
sauce
mix.
says refrigerate
Yeah,
after open.
opening. Yep.
You don't have to.
You don't have to. It's just fucking
You
sugar.
stupid cunts.
Salt.
Fucking barbecue sauce for sure, man. No one gives a shit about barbecue sauce because
No one
it's
gives a shit
literally
about
just
any
sugar.
sauces. Why are you being so
Your
political? No one
tomatoes
cares.
should
They're all
be
sauce,
refrigerated.
man. What do you think's in them? And that
Refrigerate the fucking
processing
tomato
agents,
sauce.
You leave them wherever you fucking want to put
Do
them.
you put your tomatoes in the fridge or do you just leave them out on the fucking bench?
It
like a
doesn't matter
Neanderthal?
actually if you really put it in perspective.
You fucking Neanderthal. You're a fucking troglodyte, you cunt.
Pat, you just have to film this and put this on your YouTube channel. You'll get fucking views.
Well, your fridge reacts.
Don't forget to click below to subscribe.